Today we are going to take a tour of a brand new home that's under construction that is being built by Builtwell Construction. Now this is your lucky day because the buyers had to cancel. They were unable to perform, and so this home is almost finished construction or completion and it's ready for you. Now the address is 6635 Avienda, Deserito, Verde. Now this is in the Aurora section of the Foothills. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous area. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath home. The home itself is 2,065 square feet. It has a bright open floor plan with the master bedroom on one side and then the other 2 bedrooms on the other side. Gorgeous, gorgeous house. It also is going to have a pool and a spa that has a large Baja shelf, and it's going to have chairs in it. It's just, you can put chairs in it. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. It's going to have a built-in fire pit and a built-in barbecue. One thing that you will notice about this house is the garage. They're massive. They're massive. There are 3 bay doors, 2 of which are a double RV 14-foot tall garage doors. And then you'll also notice that the garage is 80 feet deep. Massive garage. And then on the back end of the garage, you'll also notice another RV door that's 14 foot high. Now in Havasu, we call this a pull-through garage, and that is, it's enormous. It's one of the biggest garages I have ever seen. This garage has its own little half bath, so it'll just have a sink and a toilet. Just kind of nice so that when you're in the garage, you don't have to go all the way through the house to wash your hands and stuff. It will also have 2 mini split AC units in this garage. It is absolutely massive. In fact, the garage square footage is 2,260 square feet. That is bigger than the house itself. So you have to check out this house and the garages and just check it out. This home is listed by Rachel Atkinson and Brooke Pope here at Destination Havasu, and it is currently listed for $1,290,000. Be sure to contact me or go to my website. I'll put the link below, and you can get all the information on this house or other houses that we may have available. My name is Carol Darrow. I'm with Destination Havasu, and we'll see you next week. Hi, and thank you for finding my YouTube channel. My name is Carol Darrow, and on this channel, I talk about Lake Havasu City. I talk about things that you're gonna wanna do while you're here, maybe things that not to do while you're here. I also talk about real estate, everything that you need to know about buying or selling homes right here in Lake Havasu. If this is a channel that you wanna know more about, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you are reminded every time I have a new video. And hey, while you're at it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.